Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset check engine light on Jeep Wrangler, OBD second and manual reset method. Method first is reset with an OBD11 scanner. Park your Jeep on a level surface and turn the ignition off. Then locate the OBD second port under the dashboard on the driver's side. Then plug the OBD second scanner into the port. Then turn the ignition to on. Fifth one is use the scanner to read any stored trouble code. After confirming the issue has been repaired, select erase, clone or clear DTs on the scanner. Then turn the ignition off. Disconnect the scanner and start the engine. The check engine light should be off. Second method is reset by disconnecting the battery. Turn the engine off and remove the key. Then open and hood and locate the battery. Then use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 15 to 30 minutes to allow the vehicle computer to reset. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start the Jeep and check whether the engine check light has turned off. Thanks for watching.